Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to open an online account on Citibank. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Citibank account opening. Let's go for this website over here. Now click on open an account. Now we need to enter the zip code of the location we live in and click on submit. And choose the type of account you want. So let's click on open an account. You can choose any of the account you want. So let's go for regular checking and click on open. Now enter your personal information here. Now enter your social security number. And once you are done, simply click on continue. So here you need to enter your address. Make sure you complete all of the information: your address, city, state, zip code, your email address, phone number, and if you want to use your home phone number, click tick mark over here. Now enter your ID type, enter your ID number here, and choose the state your ID is issued. And if you want a joint account, click on yes, and if you do not want it, simply click on no. Afterwards, we need to create a security code which will be useful to log in later on. So once you are done, simply click on continue. Afterwards, we need to follow all of this step. That is, next will be our ID verification, and we need to enter the information of our employment and income. And once that is done, we need to set up an online access username and password. Afterwards, we need to make sure you complete the agreements and disclosures, and after that only we will be able to transfer our funds. So this is all the steps we need to follow to create an account or open an account on Citibank. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.